Today's topic is the sum of the list of the dictionaries which are having the same keys. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, and the method 2 by using a counter. Let's start from the first method, that is by the basic approach. First, we are going to initialize our list of the dictionaries and an empty list of dictionary over here. And after that, we are going to use the loops. First, we are going to go through the each and every sub list of our list. That is, we are going to go through the set of a dictionary in our list, and after that we are going to go through each and every element of our list over here. In this, we have used a for j in each and every key I dot keys. That is, we are going to go through the keys of our sub list, that is a list of our dictionaries over here, and after that we are updating them. If we have seen again those keys, then we are updating their values again and again. That is, if there is an A, then it's going to store them with the key 10. When that comes to the B, it's going to have a key value 20, and the C, which is a 30. Now moving towards the second sub list, that is a second list of the dictionaries. When it comes to the B, which is having a key value 40, it's going to go which is having the B, and after that it's going to update those values, that is a value 40 plus 20 of the key value B, and after that it's going to store them again in our list. After that it's going to go through another element of our dictionary, and it's going to check them. If it is present, then it's going to update them. If it isn't, then it's just going to store them, then again to the C and D respectively. And that's how we get our output as A10, B60, C90, and D120.